Atomic batteries to power, turbines to speed. Christmas house. Nice. These are even better than ours.
I know. Oh. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah, I love it.
So we got in
It's even better than ours. Christmas in Cocoa Beach. Merry Christmas. It's all white and green. Santa and the flamingos having a party.
Right there.
Beautiful Christmas house. Psychedelic. Love it. Very pretty. What is this? Giant birds. Yes, our street's fairly well lit. Proud of this at the end of our circle. So here we go. The end of Christmas, getting ready for New Year. And now we're going to change out the Christmas snowflake slides to the fireworks slides. Happy New Year. So here I am up with the projectors. And we take the snowflakes out. And we drop the fireworks in. Easy. Easy. Happy New Year. It's a cute little creature. Let's light it. Happy New Year! Still going and going and going. Still going and going and going. Hey, thanks for watching our video today. Every Tuesday at noon we put out a new video about Cocoa Beach boating, fishing, and life here in general. Also, if you want to move here, I am a real estate broker here. We own Happy House Real Estate. Contact us and we'll set you up in one of these beautiful waterfront houses. Thanks.